Welcome again. Now let us see the few basic settings in Catia software. Go to Tools and Options. Go to General. In General, you can find the user interface style P1, P2, P3. These are the platforms of the Catia software. P1, P2, P3. This will be highlighted depending upon the license which you have. And here in shareable products, you can check out the types of license and number of license you have. And in PCS, you have this tax size. This is undo. Here maximum limit is 99. That means you can undo your procedure or process up to 99 times, right? And then go to infrastructure, part infrastructure, go display, and set your access system to 50 or which is feasible to you. These are the basic settings of Catia software. Click OK. If you want, you can check further and also go to Tools and again Customize. It's going to take some time. Now in commands, here we have one of the important and beautiful option which need to be set. In all commands, find the hide, type letter H and find hide and show. Here we are. Go to show properties and see that under the title hide or show and in under acceleration you type kp underscore space. What happens is, by this you can use the space bar to hide and show your components or operations, whatever it is. So it's easy and simple. See, in a one click I'm able to hide and show. Also, then go to Tools, Customize. Here you will find the Smart menu, and under Smart menu you can have a checklist of the workbench which you would like to work on. So I generally work on generative shape design, drafting, part design, assembly design, core and cavity design, and sheet metal design. So you can, it's a just a arrow away, just click on it and you can have the smart workbench. I will show you how. I'm starting the Catia software again. Now let's see. Just a second. Let us set the priority. Processes, see next. Set the priority to high. I have explained you before. You can check in the video 1. See, now welcome to Catia V5. This is the default bench where I have selected generative shape design, drafting, part design, assembly design, core and cavity, and sheet metal. These are default workbenches which I would like to work, and here I can see this. Close the default. Assembly design, again new part. So this is our second video. Thanks for watching.